So yeah, guys, what's the matter is the heater valve. It's called the heater valve. This is what is common on Polo Vivos. As you can see over here, there's a gap. This gap is what is, when you are looking at it right now, you will say, it's nothing major. But when it's pressurized steam coming out of here, that's where they leak. Luckily enough, we've got a a responsible owner. The owner of this car is very responsible. He didn't wait until it got worse.
So yeah, we're already wrenching, guys. The first thing that you need to take is the air filter. On the video already took out the air filter. Right now I'm just unscrewing the bolts for the inlet manifold. Yeah, we're cracking on, and then there's 6 bolts in total. And then there's another bolt where right now where you're seeing there's another bolt that is obstructed by the throttle body. I'm actually struggling there. As you can see, there's a bolt that is obstructed by the throttle body. Hence I'm removing the throttle body right now. Without removing the throttle body, you can't actually take out the things that you need to take out. So yeah, without taking the throttle body, you'll be stuck. So we took out the throttle body right now. Then there's a bolt that it's free now. Now you can actually take it out and sort it out. And also there's a wire. I'm struggling with that wire over there. It's a wire. It has a plastic clip. Once you move that out of the way, you scot free, and then you can remove. And then there's another bolt, guys, that is here. It's hidden. I'm going to find that later on. And then it's only 5 bolts right about now that we took out. And then we're gonna be trying to move it out of the way, but it won't move until we find the missing the last bolt that is there. So let's wrench. See, nothing is happening. It's moving, but something is holding it right there. So we had to find that bolt that I was talking about. And also remember to take out the plugs, electrical plugs, and also remove the pipes, the vacuum pipes for the brake booster. I believe they're on the right hand side. And then voila, we found that bolt. And once you found that bolt, it can move. Then you're practically done taking out the manifold, right? So good right there. So guys, everything is self-explanatory after that. And the heater valve is under the inlet manifold. Hence we're taking out the inlet manifold. We can't take the heater valve without taking out the inlet manifold. Right about now I'm taking out I find it easier to take out the fuel rail pipe from the tank. This is what we are trying to take out right now. It's the pipe coming from the tank into the fuel rail. It's the fuel pipe. So once we take that out, instead of taking the injectors and getting them dirty, I found this is the easiest way that we can do. So that's what I'm doing currently right now. So easy peasy. So guys.
what's the matter is the heater valve. It's called the heater valve. This is what is common on Polo Vivos. As you can see over here, there's a gap. This gap is what is, when you are looking at it right now, you will say, it's nothing major. But when it's pressurized steam coming out of here, that's where they leak. Luckily enough, we've got a a responsible owner. The owner of this car is very responsible. He didn't wait until it got worse. So yeah, I didn't believe when I looked at the car that it was leaking, to be honest. But yeah, as you can see here, okay, let's make a reference. Check this line over here, it's sealed and everything like that. But if you check this side, you can see a gap. Mr. New, here is Mr. New. Right? As you can see, there's sealant all over here. There's no gaps, funny gaps that you can see. Can you see over there? So yeah, we're all good to go. We just had a major snag, but we're gonna fix it right now.
Talking about a snag, guys, yeah, things sometimes don't go out as planned. So yeah, here's the part. You see this pipe over here is the one that you take out, but you must be careful to take it out. You hold this piece over here, and then it's squishable over here, right? You squeeze it like that. You take it, you turn it anti-clockwise, and then squeeze it and take it out. All right. So on the particular car that I was working on, as you can see here, there's a ripped piece of pipe, plastic pipe. It tore over here. It was torn already. The owner saw it was torn already. So yeah, it was leaking a little bit. So while we were working on the car, it had to come out. So we didn't plan to have this pipe on us. Yeah, apparently it comes with the, it could be wrong, but the owner told me that from Goldwagen it comes with the PVC valve. So yeah, this is the heater valve that we are talking about. So what tore is the pipe that, this is the pipe that tore. It has a ripped pipe that travels from the heater. It fits like this, guys. Then this pipe goes to the ripped part. It goes to the car. It goes to the PVC. So it tore, and then when we started the car, it was having a whoosh noise. It's like we had a table car, a leaking table. So yeah, we had to make a plan. So what we actually did is find a bigger pipe, a pipe like this, to hold it like that, and then screwed it on to the PVC side of the pipe. I hope it makes sense, because yeah, I'm trying to explain this the easiest way I could, but yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, let's get it.
When you installing it back into the car, make sure that this O-ring, there's an O-ring over here, we grease it with oil. You can use water. Why? So that when you are popping it back into where it slots in, it doesn't damage the oil ring. So yeah.